Stop the track. Let me step back. Told you give me a minute and I'll be right back. Hey, hey, What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Andie, and in today's video we're going to create a cat eye smoky eye look because I've seen you guys loved it so much from my previous video, so I just said to myself, let me just make another one for you guys. So enjoy it. I won't be using a lot of strong colors. I will try to keep it as soft as possible, but obviously still keep it smoky eye with a nice winged liner and some black eyeshadow, brown eyeshadow too. As you can see in this video, I have no wig and no eyebrows. That's because I'll be doing it right in front of the camera. I haven't really been confident to appear in front of the camera without my eyebrows, but today is that day. So in today's video I will be using the Inglots newest primer, the illuminating face primer. I haven't bought the bottle, but I do have a sample from them, and yeah, this is my first time using it, so let's see how this copes with my skin. It is a very light primer and it's actually smelling really nice. Now let's see if it's going to keep the glow on. Oh, okay. It does give me a dewy finish. So what I use for my eyebrows is the Goof Proof pencil and the 24-hour brow setter because I do like my eyebrows to look slightly thicker. I have quite fair eyebrows, plus I don't really have any there. So luckily Benefit is saving me with their great products to create very nice eyebrows. Right, so my eyebrows are done. Let's get it started with the eyeshadow. We're going to start with the eyeshadow primer. Oh yeah, baby. No! No! Why you? It could be, the other pink, not you. Guys, my eyeshadow just broke. Okay, so firstly I will start with this orange color. Next I'm going to be using this brown over here. So this one I will be keeping it in the crease and then blend it with the orange, and basically do it kind of halfway so we create that cat eye look. So with the brown it's going to look like that. And we're going to add the black now. With the black I'm just gonna apply it halfway out, and then I will be going on top with the eyeliner. So I'm trying to keep it all matte because I do believe when you do a smoky eye it looks better when it's matte, but obviously you can do cut creases. When I do cut creases, that's when I use glitters as well, but today we're gonna focus more on the matte finish look. So for the inner corner I'll be using a flat brush and a lighter peachy color. And then next we're gonna go with the black eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner. It's the gel eyeliner number 77 from Inglot. I do mix the gel with the Duraline and it makes the best nice mixture. You can wear it in your waterline as well. I'll be doing that with a lighter shade, so it opens my eyes a bit more. I always start with a very thin line, and then I will be making it slightly thicker on the outer corner. So as you know, I continue my eyeliner from my bottom lashes up, just to create that nice open big eye look. And that's it. For the waterline, I will be using this color, the gel eyeliner in number 68. When I'm wearing a smoky eye, it always changes the eye shape that I have. So I do like it because I always like a bit more, you know, this kind of eye. But yeah, makeup is power. Hey guys, so I have done the other eye and it looks like this. And then I'm going to start with my base. For the foundation, I will be using the Benefit one, the light coverage. Okay, and then I will be using the brightening concealer, again from Benefit, just to brighten up my dark circles. And then a matte finish concealer, like this one. It's a yellow one, so basically it takes off the orange and it highlights underneath. And then I will set everything with a pressed powder using a brush like this. Make sure you set it very well underneath your eyes. And let's contour this face. So, as you know, just halfway, try to smile a bit. And my favorite blusher, a peachy one, so we can give that nice bronzy look. Just mix it up here with your contour and then go down to the cheeks. A bit on the nose, why not? Okay, let's jump back to underneath the eyes. So by using the same color, peachy one underneath, like in the inner corner, then with the orange, and then with the black color more in the outer corner. And then my favorite highlighter of all times is this pinky one from Inglot. Is in number 16. You guys, I've never seen highlighter like this before. Especially it's like a pink, silver, gold. Is amazing. It's just amazing. Like, I'll show you. Now let's go to lips. I will try and make it like a nudish pinkish one. So this is the NYX one and the color Sandstorm. Nice nude that can create that bigger lip effect. And then the Inglot one in number 63. And then on top of that, I will just be applying like a creamy lipstick. And this cute lip gloss is plumping as well, so it's quite nice. Plus you can, you know, have it in your purse when you travel and stuff. So okay guys, so this is the makeup for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment down below if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.